In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight switch on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. Let's grab a trim tool. You want to use something plastic because you don't want to damage any of the plastics here. Stick it underneath this gray trim piece. Of course, for you it might be a different color, but what you want to do is pop it out like this. It just has some metal clips on the back side, and then you want to slide it sideways a little bit and out at the same time. That should pop off. And then if you flip it over, this is the headlight switch right here. Press the connector, unplug it, and now we have a little bit more slack in the harness at the bottom here, which you don't have to unplug. You can if you want to remove this whole piece, but again, you don't have to. The headlight switch has a couple long tabs like this. You have to press them in. There are 3 of them. There's one on the top here and another one on the bottom, and this whole switch should slide right out. Now take your headlight switch, slide it in. If it doesn't slide in, it's probably because it's offset a little bit and has to line up with the grooves there. Press it until it clicks. It should lock in. And if you flip this around, grab your wiring, plug it in, make sure that clicks. And now you just line up this panel. You want to make sure that this edge right here goes underneath this trim piece of the gauge cluster. So you're going to want to lift this up just a little bit. This is also where it helps to have a plastic trim tool to kind of wedge it under there. There we go. Press it in place. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.